Hello, Tagulwan! New Year, new house tour. So karon guys, ubani ko ninyo na atanos sa Tierra Nava, Taguluan. It is situated at Natumulan, Taguluan, Misamis Oriental. Guys, this charming two-story townhouse offered the perfect blend of modern design and practical living. Ideal para sa mga first-time home buyers, young families, or those seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle. Guys, tanawa siya. Atong i-check out inside with a 46 square meter lot area over a 36 square meter floor area. Guys, luag kaayo siya. It is provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 car park. Enjoy a wealth of community amenities. Guys, akong i-share sa inyo while mag-room ta, itour ta mo around sa iyahang 2 bedrooms. Mao niyang master's bedroom, guys. Nice kaayo. Oh, oh, diba? With mirror pa na siya, guys. Model house lang ni siya ha, dili ni siya maugid inyo ang makuha diretso. Kay bare unit lang ang turnover sa atong balay. And then mo ni ayang second nga bedroom. Hope guys, nag-enjoy mo sa atong house tour. And guys, there's more. Iyahang back ani guys, iyahang likod is naay dirty kitchen. Mao na siya and pretty siya kaluag. So don't miss this opportunity. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and discover your new home at Tierra Nava, Taguluan. Guys, as you can see, pre-selling pa ni siya. That's why barato pa. Busa, PM na!